Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove SD card from Sony A6000. And to do this, first we'll need to open the hatch on the bottom of our camera. Simply slide it to the left and it should release like that. Then we can take our SD card with the adapter and slide it in. I think it should fit just like that. If not, the other side. Okay, it fits nicely now. Now we just need to push it with our finger until we hear a click and our SD card is inserted. To remove it, we'll need to open the hatch again, then click on the SD card with your finger and slide it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.